Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung mga exciting things na parating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see. Virgo, what's up? Ano yung parating? Exciting things happening for Virgos in the next 2 weeks. Okay, we have the 8th house, Taurus, and North Node. Oh my God, you are being shown your destiny. So, pinapakita sa'yo, in the next 2 weeks, papakita sa'yo kung ano talaga yung purpose mo, yung destiny mo. Yung iba, no, isipin, ito na lang ba yung life's purpose ko? Actually, yung purpose natin sa buhay, nagbabago yan. Yan yung tinatawag nating seasons, no? Seasons of our lives, chapters of our lives. May time frame na ito yung purpose natin, ito yung gagawin natin, and then nagkakaroon tayo ng transformation, may natatapos, and then may nagsisimula. Kasi with the 8th house, this is also about transformation, change, endings, and new beginnings. So, may mga bagay ka na ginagawa ngayon na parang feeling mo, yung iba sa inyo nawawala na ng gana, or parang feeling nyo hindi na kayo ganun ka-interesado unlike before, no? It only means na meron kailangan magbago. And yung pagbabago, yan ay hindi lang yan hinihintay, 'di ba? We create our own transformation, 'di ba? Kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mo na nandito ka sa isang lugar na yan, walang magbabago. Okay? Kung ikaw ay may gagawing action, may i-explore ka, then definitely something will change. So that's what I'm saying for you. Kasi yung iba, maaring feeling stuck kayo sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon, and it's time for you to explore and follow nyo kung ano yung inyong mga gusto sa buhay, yung passion ninyo, whatever you really want to do. At mararamdaman nyo yan na yun talaga yung para sa inyo kasi parang mas magaan siyang gawin pag nasimulan nyo na. Kasi yung point na, yung transition period na let's say lilipat ka ng bahay, yung paglipat ng bahay, yun yung kind of stressful at mabigat at nakakapagod Pero once nakasettle ka na dun sa bago mong nilipatan, 'di ba? Mas exciting na siya, mas parang gusto mong i-redecorate na yung bago mong place. So ganun yung energy na yung transition, yung pagbabago. It's kind of heavy, parang yun yung dahilan kaya hindi ka makakilos. Pero the moment na nasimulan mo na siya, tuloy-tuloy na siya. So that's what I'm seeing for you. So you're being led to your purpose, your destiny, whatever your passion is. So, it's time to explore. Yung iba, hindi ko alam kung ano yung passion ko Explore mo. Try new things. Try something new. Kasi doon mo lang malalaman yon. You have Rose. You have River. And then Thunderbolt. Oh my God, that makes sense. Kasi itong Thunderbolt is para siyang eureka moment, no? Ito yung mga bagong energies. Ito yung pagiging open-minded mo, no? Sa mga bagong kaalaman. Fresh ideas din to. Oo, para sa iba. Na, let's say for example, kung dati, no, ang mantra mo sa buhay na ang pagtatrabaho, pagiging empleyado, yan ay pinaka-secure na trabaho. Which is totoo naman. Secure siya, but it's not the most secure kasi pwede kang tanggalin sa trabaho at anytime. So, ngayon, nagbabago yung isip mo na, teka, kung gusto ko talagang maging successful, maging financially free, na magkaroon ng financial freedom, kailangan mo mag-business. So, maaring meron kang magandang idea, no, to start a business or to finally follow your passion. Kasi kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, eventually money will follow, 'di ba? And then we have the river. Ang river is about forgiveness, no? Pagpapatawad mo sa sarili mo sa yung mga bad decisions mo kasi partner ng buhay natin 'yan na may mga pagkakamali talaga tayo. Minsan hindi natin napag-iisipan yung mga desisyon natin, nagkakamali tayo. And that's fine. Kasi importante dyan natutunan mo no? May natutunan ka. And yung mga lessons na yun yung i-apply mo sa mga susunod mong gagawin, no? So this is about forgiving yourself, forgiving others. And then you have the rose. So rose, it symbolizes love. I think this is also love for yourself. Mas binibigyan mo ngayon ng panahon yung sarili mo to recover, to be more open-hearted rin to na to open up yourself to someone or to a situation na malapit talaga sa puso mo. Kasi minsan nalilimit tayo dahil sa judgment ng ibang tao, natatakot tayo na baka, ganito yung isipin sa akin ni ganito, na ganyan. But at the end of the day, sino ba ang una mong dapat i-please? Yung sarili mo, diba? Oo. You have the sun. So this is confidence. So in the next 2 weeks, you will have confidence sa sarili mo. Ano man tong, di ba, like what I mentioned kanina, medyo meron kang kailangang i-heal or ayusin rin sa sarili mo. This is about forgiving yourself from your past mistakes, from the pain na naranasan mo dahil sa ginawa ng ibang tao sa'yo. I know it's hard, no, na magpatawad, pero yun kasi talagang magpapalaya sa'yo. Hindi mo naman yun gagawin para dun sa person na yun. Gagawin mo yun para sa sarili mo. You have the Hanged Man and then the Queen of Swords. I think for some of you, Virgo, meron kayong pinoprocrastinate ngayon, no? Tipong hindi nyo ginagawa, hindi nyo binibigyan ng attention. Kaya hindi siya nangyayari. With the Queen of Swords, finally, haharapin mo to, pag-aaralan mo to, magkakaroon ka ng awareness. Bakit nga ba? Ano yung pumipigil sa'yo na gawin mo to? Ano yung pumipigil sa'yo na mag-explore? Ano yung pumipigil sa'yo? So, you're going to ask yourself. And the moment na malaman mo kung ano yung reason na yon, at least alam mo na yung source nung problema or nung source ng pagiging stuck mo. So, yun yung kailangan mong ayusin at linisin. Oh my God, you have the Empress. The Empress is about abundance, opportunities, your creativity. So I think in the next 2 weeks, you will give birth to something creative, like a fresh idea, no? At finally, you will take action. And I think itong pag-take mo ng action na to is slowly but surely, no? Lalo na kung marami ka nang natutunan sa mga past actions mo. And ngayon, mas maingat ka na. Okay? Oh, wow, double sun. Oh my God. The sun is about clarity, kaliwanagan. It brightens the sky, 'di ba? So, ano man yung mga worries mo, yung pain, yung mga pinagdaanan mo na mga pagsubok in the past, you will be able to overcome that in the next 2 weeks. You also have Gentleman. I see this as an energy of a person sa buhay mo. This can be any gender, no? Na I feel like this is someone na nagsusupport sa'yo, who has high regard sa'yo, someone na naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, that will also boost your confidence. You also have Lady. Okay. So, maaring someone is going to offer you like love, no? Para sa iba sa inyo, if you are kung open ka sa relationship, sa romantic connection, ngayon, lalo na't napatawad mo na yung sarili mo, napatawad mo na yung past. So, there is also a possibility na merong person na darating sa'yo who will appreciate you, who will give you what you deserve. Someone na magbibigay sa'yo ng mga bagay na dine-deserve mo talaga, which is yung true love. Okay? Kasi the Northern is also about like the person who is destined to you. Okay? This can be a Taurus or a Libra or a Leo or Pisces. Meron din dito yung Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay? So, let's see. Princess, you can be your own knight. So, regardless of your situation, your relationship status, may jowa ka man o wala, alam mo na kaya mong proteksyonan at alagaan yung sarili mo. You are your own knight. Hindi ka tipong nakaasa na merong Prince Charming na magsisave sa'yo because you know how to save yourself. You know how to take care of yourself. You know how to protect yourself. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.